Okay, let me just go back to the old Bitcoin chart we did last time, then update it and see how it did go. Bitcoin, which one was it? This? No. Like we did Dogecoin last time. We did Fartcoin also. It was a live trade. I did hit TP. This one also. Let me just try to find it. Because I usually pick like a random chart. Let's see. What the fuck is going on? I'm not used to this. And also need music. Good. We can do only short today. We'll delete everything. Why would I fucking cancel it? Okay, can you see? Can you see? Okay. We're gonna do it over again from the beginning. By the way, let me just update you on the Dogecoin. I lost this one, I think. No. What's this? So, we did chart this coin over here. So I told you we always following this X pattern like this when we trade. Oh my God. Okay, so we're always following this X pattern here, and we broke out, as you see. We ranged at the trend line, and we bounced. We didn't get to the support I wanted to, but we had actually two plans. First one was to long below here. The other one was to long after the daily close above here. So if you look back, you can see here we close above. I just rocket it. Same here, close above. Almost retested at a price. It didn't though. Almost, but then big TP. Anyways, I'll be looking into new trades this time. First, we need to get our Bitcoin bias right. Then we can trade. Secret. Here. Have it. Let me check that out. Looking doesn't have that much back data. This one. So you can actually see here. You can start from this place. Like first you need to get all the trend lines right. Then you can start drawing the support and resistance levels. This one. And I have another one. Then also you have to draw the lower retest points, not only the higher ones, so you get your bias right to the point. So usually when I trade, I usually look for this pattern here, X, and or I try to find uptrend we're in. So this is the top. So we broke out, so I need to find the other top. And you can see here it is. So next resistance would be above here, around this area. I'm not even sitting down while streaming. I'm standing up because my table is broken. It makes some noise, weird noise. Big man thing. Mm, so yeah, this is the next resistance up here, but there's more. Let me just try to find it. We need to find the uptrend we're in right now. So you can see here, this is a rising wedge right here. Like if I remove this one and this, you can see it. Like try always to find the pattern or the trend we're in. And just let me check it one more time. Then we have support like over here. As I said before, the main key level is 99k, like around there. Here we got like 100k, but we have also 102k over here. So those are the main support key levels. If we break those, like those are the bull run levels we have. But we have also resistance here. So our current range we're in, what I'm expecting in the coming weeks would be like up here, then retest the trend line here, back up, then down, break it down. It's like very clear, otherwise you're fucking retarded or stupid. But I will share those levels once I'm done. Mm, but yeah, no point to be bearish unless we break down. Let's find now. Now we had a weekly macro bias here. Here you have it. That's it. So let's check on the daily. No. Um, Let me just give you the levels below also, because once this breaks down, you're gonna need to buy lower. I'll give you those levels also to buy lower. Mm, Improving here. I'm not saying we're breaking down, okay? I'm saying those are the levels to look at once we break this level, okay? Once this rising wedge break down, you're gonna need lower bids, and those are the ones. I mean, this is the place I'll be buying later. I'm not okay. Shut the fuck up. Mm, those are the key levels on weekly. Okay, you see? Mm. And I can't say if we'll go higher because we haven't broken out yet. So don't be too bullish. You don't. If you bought here, when I bought, you don't need to sell here immediately. You can just wait for confirmation, wait for the weekly candle to close, and then make the decision based on that. Mhm. Something's like missing here. By the way, Brett, is it still alive? I will give you another trade soon also. Oh, it's still alive. I thought it like rugged or something. Some people said someone sold, that's why. Okay, no. Which one? Bitcoin. Just need to. But yeah, that's why before I was saying this is the key level, but then uh, like it pumped, I think, to here, 6%. Then I put my stop loss to break even. It hit, so I was looking for lower area to long. Otherwise, this one was golden. Let's look at daily now. Yeah. I'll just pick a new chart. Not this. There's so many. Always. By the way, once I'm done with Bitcoin, we can do altcoins also. But I need to get the system right. Like I need to know where the market is heading in the coming days before doing any analysis. Page. I think we need to go back more. Mm-hmm. 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 Yes, please. That's for trading it's cool. But if you think this should be fun, it's not. Just you have to look at every point of the chart and think for yourself also. A low time frame levels here, so may take some time because it's not one level. I'll do them all the way up here because I'll be scalping for the next days. Some people will ask me, like they always many ask for my levels on some coins, so I give them, and that's how I trade. Also, I wait for like 4H close, as you see here. I would wait for this to close above retest, then I would long it all the way. That's how I trade. Like a lot of trades, I don't even share because they move fast. I'll explain soon. So this level I placed based on. Okay, let me remove this pen. So I just drew one trend line here, and I placed this one based on the next retest point. So when we retrace, it will come back here. You see, like this. It will retest that trend. It won't go like in a straight candle like this. If it does, okay, fine, you can long it here. But it won't. Rarely happens. But still, this is a strong level. It's like the top of the range we had before. This is the past range we had. So this is the top there. A range high here. And Like, look, let's say we have a range here. We break out, go down, then up again, then boom. We didn't just go up here. This was the top of the range. I mean, the range high. The past range high is here. Here. So we didn't just go back down and bounce for no reason. There were buyers here. And this happens often also because people think, okay, we broke out, I'll place buy orders here. So the coin move at this area, it then goes down. So, but it doesn't just move all the way down, it moved back into the range. And that's what people call head and shoulders. Also, so when we move back into the range, it means we lost the momentum we had before. The momentum shifted over here. We broke the uptrend. We shifted the momentum. We became in a downtrend. So when we start ranging here, we're ranging for a dump lower. That's why it's called head and shoulders. Maybe I can show you in a chart. If you're not stupid, you will understand. Yes. Yeah. Okay, go. But do you find them helpful? Have you learned anything? Exactly. He studied. Okay, so maybe this explains what I just said. Look here. Breakdown. Range. Breakdown again. Then we moved back into the range here. You see? So when you look up here, you can see we broke out. Okay, this trend line, I'm just doing it fast. But you see we broke out. We did enter the range we had before. You see? Momentum shifted, then up. Again, ranging, up. And you can see also in some places, you could take in like along here. Maybe you couldn't take along down here. Wait, let me remove the trash. Okay. Let's say you couldn't take along here. So you wait for the pump, go up, retest at the range high, you see? Then up. That's what I fucking showed. I just showed you this 2 minutes ago. It's so fucking clear. I mean, that's how I learned. Nobody taught me. I just kept looking at the chart day and night. That's how you learn. You teach yourself from what you're seeing. And the market will always move in a trend, so it will never change. Just try to always find the trend in everything. Yeah, I mean, you can call it whatever you want. Break of structure, uh, liquidity, your mom, your dad, like whatever you want. At the end, it's a breakout and a retest. That's what it's all about. But people like calling it like other names and calling it their own strategy. But at the end, it's just breakout of out of the trend, then retest and up. That's the whole point. Okay. You want to learn how to spot volume? Um, okay, let me try to see if I find anything. Okay, like usually you can see me. I trade same coins all the time because now I know how they work. You can't just change. Yeah, exactly. I don't know. Like first time I traded HAEDAL. I opened a take 10K position at the top, then it dumped. Like literally dumped at support. Then I was down like 40K. Then like back up, down, up, down. Then I sold at the same area. It pumped 10%. Then I loaded again. It dumped. So later, now when it pumped back up, I was up like 20K. I sold it, pumped more. I swear. And I entered last night, like, then slept. It was up 20%. Then woke up, it was back to entry. So I sold it. So I'm never fucking trading it again. HAEDAL is like gambling. Look, you see here? Look, I entered here, pumped. No, look, I entered like first time I called it, it was here. It dumped, then it pumped back up. I entered here, it dumped all the way down. I didn't even sell. I woke up, I saw it here, I sold. Then it pumped more. Then I entered here, it dumped again. Then it pumped back up. I was up like 20K. I sold it, pumped all the way. Like 30%. Then I entered again here. Last night it pumped while I was sleeping, then was back to entry when I woke up. You can't even trade this. Like even if it closes above support, it won't work. It's just manipulation. Okay. But you all want to know how to spot the volume, right? Okay, let me finish Bitcoin, then we can do that. But it's just about uh, let me show you. Mm. Oh, this one's going up. Okay, so let me just explain this to you. Many think this is a bearish close here. This one. Many think on goat also did last night. We had this close in our trade. It hit TP, but we had this close. Many think also it's bearish. Many think this one is bearish, but it's not even always about the candle. It's more like, let's take a look at Brett, for example. You can see it closed like this, but why it's not going down? It's because I pumped it. Okay, no, okay, I'm joking. Wait, let's go to the 8 hours MACD here. Okay. When you look here, you can see it broke out, closed above. So your support would be here. Okay. If you ask the AI bot uh, where the support would be, he would say here. It's here and there. Okay. So we closed above the support, retested. You can see we had volume also. MACD shows you volume. Okay. And once we break a certain level, like this, look, cross. It's so fucking hard to explain. I think I'm giving up. But just you need a bullish cross and a close above support, plus a breakout. That's all you need. Even on lower time frames, usually I use it on 2H, 4H, 8 and daily. Weekly doesn't happen often, but when it does, it just goes up, keeps going up. But it's so fucking hard to explain. I will show you in a trade now how I do it, but it's so fucking hard to do it. Yeah, let's see the 4H. It can also show you when the coin is dumping. Do you understand? Do you understand? Okay, let me just find a coin which hasn't been going up yet. Okay, let me show you on the Bitcoin dominance. This one is interesting. Look here, broke down, retested the trend line. So we have the resistance here. Like retested, we might go here also. Retested, then we have a bearish cross. Usually this indicates that the volume is moving out of the coin. When, look, breakdown also shows you that it's going down, but this also shows you that it's gonna go down heavy. It's so hard to fucking explain, but it just more confirmation to me that it's going down. That's all. Nothing new, but just confirmation. That's all. If you're gonna use it alone without your TA, don't do it, okay? You're gonna lose money. And by the way, that's why I held also this trade so long, because I saw it cross, closed above support, retested here. Look, bitch. You see? Retest, boom, up. But I waited for the 4-ish close. Then you see? I waited for the close, then only up. And also a plus point if it closes above the MA200 here. So you got 3 confirmations, the MACD, your trend lines, first one here, second one there, also the MA200. That's why I longed it. Me, just add this to your trading view and add this one, then you will see why I longed. You will see for yourself how I did it, then you can do it again. But don't just do it on any coin. Do it on not HAEDAL, for example, not this one. The big ones, the big boys. And by the way, this trade hit stop loss because we didn't wait for the breakdown to happen. I just looked at the 1H. It did actually, but not on higher time frames. I usually confirm it here and on the other one here also. I confirm it, then I long or short. But yeah, it happens. It happens. I should just have seen that this was accumulating here for the pump. I lost myself like 15K on this trade or 12. Yeah, just always look back at your losses. You can learn from them always. But yeah, next time I didn't want to close. I just wanted to hold a trade, but next time I will just close when we close above the trend line. You see here, broke down, retested, again down, then up, back into the rising wedge here. I should have just closed here. Okay, I mean, everyone should learn from others' mistake and their own, always. Yeah, why this shit going down? Wait, we not done with Bitcoin. Use like I just remembered we're not done with it. Yeah, what the fuck? Mm, yeah, we were doing it from down here. So we drew a trend. Just let me finish this, then I would do your own charts, okay? I need to get it right. Like this. Yeah, so I placed this level based on this trend line here, this one. And also based on the MA200 on the 4H. It's very useful on higher time frames, okay? These two, Hmm. I think we can have a Bitcoin trade here. I'll show you how. Mhm. Mm, I think we can like scalp long. Oh shit. Like scalp long over here. I mean, at the retest of this breakout, we can have a scalp long all the way up here. Because I would say move like this, then back up here. And now it's just the range we're in right now. That's how I see it. Maybe you can get a better trade. Let me just check one more time. Like this. Maybe move the targets higher also. Yes, please. Like this. So first, uh, I see we have like closed bullish here, this candle. So if we keep moving up to the resistance, then dump all the way down to our trend line, then back up again. This is the first TP, 111K, 500. The next one is 114K, 100. Okay, like that. So we would like sweep the range here, range low, then back up. It's very simple. Yeah, it should work. Let's see. Mm, yeah, you can screenshot it if you want. This will be my Bitcoin trade. I'll be thinking later. Just set alerts at this level, no limits, set alerts, see how it goes. Because I never know. Bitcoin have been pumping so hard lately, so I never know how will it will like react here. So let's just see here how it goes. If you want like safer trade, you can move your entry up here, but you're gonna have to wait for the 4H candle to close above first, then you can take it. So just it will go down a bit. If it reclaims this level, then you can long it. But for me, I will just take the risk and do it here without any confirmation. That's how I'm doing it. And target would be 114K. Bring in what? No, those ain't fib levels. How I drew the. Okay, let me just go back. I'll show you. So I drew the 114K level. It's just all based on trend lines. Okay. Okay. So if I think it will go this way, then down. When we come back down here, it would take time. So we'd be here at this point. Then it will also take time to move up. But it's so fucking hard to explain. Like, my strategy isn't based on only trend lines. It's like you have to think for yourself. But look, look here, bitch. You see? Enter here, take profit at the trend line. Don't worry about the 114K level. Just take profit at the trend line, okay? That's my X strategy. No, there is no TP1 for breath. I'll just keep holding. I'll keep holding to stop loss or TP, like we did with breath. And I mean, FET, the FET trade. I'll keep holding. Market will blow. Even if this looks horrible, the other ones, I mean, altcoins looks bullish. If you've seen my Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Ethereum Bitcoin, I don't know, Ethereum Bitcoin. What? You can see here my target for this chart is up here. And also Ethereum hasn't even moved yet. If you look at Ethereum, it hasn't moved. So I think altcoins still have potential against Bitcoin on the short term. I think we bought like here I said buy here, then we bought here. And I don't know if I'm still holding. I have to check if I sold because I hold a lot of things. But there's many simple setups you all can take based on my levels. You see here, like there's many setups you can make yourself based on my levels I have here. Even with, I was supposed to call this, but we had a bake trade, so I didn't. You see here, it's really simple. Close above, retest, then up. Which coin should we do? MOODENG. Uh, guys, I won't tell you where it's going. I'll just give you the levels, okay? So for now, we have like Ethereum chart. I mean, we have Bitcoin trade. MOODENG. I don't even trade this. Oh, I do. The fuck? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So guys, I will just give you a chart like this. My levels here and there, that's all I will give you. I can tell you how to do it, but I won't tell you to long or short. Okay? Um, let's see. I will take a new chart. No thing like this. So first look for breakout points, then you can place the levels. Um, here, and I'll tell you soon why I placed those levels where they are. Just let me do it first. Uh, yeah. Also need higher targets. More breakout. You can look this. We have key level. We are right now approaching the key level actually. So, oh, this one just pumped in 1 hour. Wait, what the fuck? You see here, we broke out. You see we broke out here, retested, then up on the 1H I'm talking. And I'll be looking for across the resistance here, there also, and closed above it right now. Next one is over here, but for me, I don't even trust these kind of coins, but if you do, you can long it now and place your stop loss way below. Like your stop loss would be here. Here your stop loss. And your target would be here. Because all this is resistance. Support here and there, stop loss below. So what I would do is just wait for 4H close. As you see, every time we try to break out, we fail. Here, right now, we're trying to break out. I don't know how it will go, but better for me to wait for close above. That's safer. Then I can have smaller stop loss because then um, yeah, I have my confirmation then, so I can have a smaller stop loss than all this, like 20%. Hell no. So wait for 4H close above, long it, TP1 here, TP2 there, then close the full position and wait for a daily close above here and long it all the way here. That's how I would play it. But those are my levels. I'll just give it to you. You do whatever you want. I'm just telling you how to do it. The coin already broke out, but the key level is here. Okay? The key level is here. We haven't break it. So just always wait for the 4H close. Yeah. Um, yeah, let's move on to next. Which one? Okay, I guess Tango said Zig. That's the SIG range. No, how I would trade it is you can see we broke out already. We have liquidity here or retest area. So what we do is just wait for long over here at the retest all the way up here, TP1, because that's the range low, range high, and after a breakout like this, look, you can just go back and look, breakout, people accumulating, then another breakout, wait, another breakout here, then accumulate, breakout, boom, simple. But always wait for like your mom. Always wait for confirmation to long. Okay? Don't lock it in the middle. Long here. You can have a small stop loss. If you long now, you're gonna have your stop loss down here. Okay? It's not good like RR. It's not it's not even worth it. So don't long in the middle. Always wait for a retest. Shit. Delete. But I'm just giving the levels, I guess. Just drawing there. Boom. Bro, why you fucking saying long trade? Who the fuck told you it's a fucking trade I shared? I'm just doing some fucking charts, okay? You know what? You know what? I drive. You know why I drive? Because that's all I do. Yeah, big man thing. Do you understand? Do you understand? Big man thing. Bomba clat. Okay, let's go back to charts. Um, People, why you all like picking weird ass coins? I think I have shot it before. Yeah, there you see. Actually, this one looks like a short, but yeah. Let me look at that 3H. Still needs more time. It's cooking, but look, retested the resistance here. Didn't break it, couldn't close above, so we dumped. Simple math. But let me just check here if we are at the trend line. Okay, we are exactly at the trend line right now. You can see this one goes from here. No, yeah, it does. Okay, it goes from here to here to here to there. Look, what I was saying before about the MACD, it's now comes in play because we have bearish MACD. We retested above here also. I would like it if we were below the trend line. That would make me more confident. But right now, this moment, uh, we are not. We're in the rising wedge. Okay. So what I would do is, if I want to trade this, that's how I would trade it. I wouldn't because we haven't closed below the trend line. I think when we close below the 4H MACD would cross also, so it will go down here and back up, retest, then down to this area. That's how I trade it. But there's no confirmation for short. Only for me, I wouldn't. Like only if we close below, the candle here is red, and it goes back up. We get a cross here, and boom. Because we broke down already. Then I'll move my targets all the way down here. But right now we're still in the trend, so no need to worry. Keep it in mind. Just keep this in mind. I have so many levels also, like stupid many. And all of them work, look, all of them. You see? But yeah, that's people for me. That's people. Like this. This is bullish? Who said this is bullish? Wait, let's check the coin. Okay, so it's at my buying range, I guess. Keeps dumping. Maybe I will just dump 100K in this one. I think he will do something about this. Like soon he will announce something. Like you see here, we broke out. So right now I'm just waiting for the retest here. Then I'll be buying all the way up here. Will be a forex trade. That's daddy. The 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 fuck you. Okay, there. Like this. Buy support. I'm just saying. That's what I'm buying. The the I'm stuttering and I'm stuttering my dick in your mom. Let's do Trump. Hype or Trump. Wait, can someone like pick a coin, guys? Everyone pick a coin. Go AIXPT. Okay, I'll just pick a coin which hasn't been chosen yet. May the force be with me. Oh, what the fuck, y'all? I think y'all missing out on this. Like, for real? TRB $33. I think it ran to 300 last time. Oh, 400. Like, New Year's, it ran up to fucking. Look, what the fuck? 554. They right. Okay. I think I found a new analos. Anal OS. Big. By the way, I shared this one in my channel before. This, you see? I shared it in my channel like a month ago, 2 weeks. I shared this also. We bought here. We bought here. Tun, sahur. Uh, I'm having a hard time picking a coin here. I haven't even been drinking. Fog. This one is interesting. I like looking at the red ones rather than the green ones like this. Like, I rather look at this. There's more potential here than there is on, like, let's say this one. There's more potential on this one. But no, you all want to look on shitcoins like, wait, let me, shitcoins like this, which are already up, and you want to still buy them. There's no potential here. If you're trying to buy, no. You should have bought at the bottom here, not here. Okay? Like there's more potential in this one than on this one. Do you understand? But don't buy this. It's a rug. But we already bought Trump. I already told you to buy Trump before. Didn't we already like do Trump before? Didn't we like wait? Let me fucking show you, bitch. Where is Trump? Can't find him. I think he's hiding in my pocket. Where the fuck is he? I did do a chart on it before. USDT, P. What the trash? What the shit? Fuck. Trump is literally up 0% today, and you telling me, I swear, it's fucking going down. Why? You think this is bullish? After I tweeted, this is bullish? You think people in the dinner gonna sit there and buy more coins? It's more likely that people who bought the coin to join the dinner will most likely sell it later. That's what I would say. Maybe use your brain. I don't know. But yeah, let's do Trump. Let's do Trump. Trump. Yo, stop selling bread also, okay? Okay. Bocche. Bocche. Yeah, I'll start here. But I already did a chart this coin before. Why would I do it again? The thing is, um, this is a shit coin. Well, let me just look at my chart. That's all you need. Um, hey, so I had it already. But still no breakout. Just looks like a retest. You see here, no breakout, retested. Like, there's nothing to be looking at here. Nothing. Support you should have bought here. There's nothing to do here, okay? Maybe you say we have a trend here, okay? But still, no close above, no breakout. I mean, breakout, but no close above. Then back into the trend. Uh, don't buy unless we break out about this level. It's like gambling. Buying here is gambling. Or maybe wait, the lower time frame showing something else. Still, we could retest. I mean, look, it's so hard to tell, but how I'm looking at this coin right now, it's very tricky, but it would be like this, then this, but there's news coming, so I wouldn't even try anything because it's just gambling. If you want to long it, you can place your stop loss. It's gonna be hard stop loss, like 10% away. It's up to you. Personally, I would wait for a bullish close on the 4H before longing. That's what I would do. Because you never know where this candle close. But safe entry would be here at the MA200. That's where I would enter, not here. Okay? Don't tell me, oh my god, Trump is speaking. Fuck you and Trump, okay? I will long here. I will never long. Like, no confirmation, no long for me. I rather miss a trade than getting fucked by Trump, okay? I will share this one in my channel if it goes bullish. Right now, there's nothing bullish beside this retest, okay? You can see MACD is breaking down, retesting here, but this is breaking down. We might, most likely, we go back into the range over here, this support. Always wait for fucking confirmation, okay? Yo, stop fucking selling this coin, okay? Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Okay, when I sell, I will tell you I sold, okay? So you guys don't fucking rug me. So first I sell, then you sell. Otherwise, you're all gonna fucking dump it so hard. It was stop loss in one candle. But I want. Yeah, let him keep longing. But for now, I mean, it's so hard to tell. You guys know I have like 200k position on this one, on this trade alone. So please, please, por favor, don't sell. I won't sell if you guys don't sell, okay? And if I sell, I won't tell you either. I mean, it's still bullish against Bitcoin. Okay. Bouquet. Obrigado. What? Obrigado, naval vendor. What the fuck? I'm 42. Okay, Phil. Someone said bake chart. Let me give you bake. Okay, here. Yeah, which time frame? No, 52. 52. Or there. Let me just remove all this. Oh, we're going up. I think we're pumping. Yeah. Good boys. Good boys never sell. Good, good boys. Yeah, I'm 42. Do you understand? I don't know. Someone said 42, so I said 42. Oh my fucking god, we so fucking bad. Wait, look, it's still in the same fucking place. What did I fucking tell you? It's not even going up. Look, like, are you fucking stupid to buy this? You see this candle, you think it's bullish selling? Like, are you a monkey? Wait, let me see if Trump tweeted. Um, you know, I bought a coin. It's called Tralalelo, Tralala. Then I dumped it. Like I sold, it was up 10%. I sold it, dumped 10%. Trump. Let's see. Where the fuck did it tweet about the dinner? If you do understand, I don't fucking understand. Who understand? Where did he fucking tweet? Okay, then why the fuck did it go down? Okay? You think this is bull? He's on the way to selling. Literally. Wait, let me see. Like, what the fuck? 12% down, just one candle. You think it's bullish? I would buy tun sahur instead of this. Yeah, I think you're along the top. That's why. Okay, which coin should be the last one? Tun. Um, BLD W. I mean, um, no. I would do another one. I'll just give you the shot. I'll do another one. I always said, willed. Yeah, what the fuck is that tattoo? Gross ass lips. Phil, no. I won't do Phil. Goat. No. No XRP. It's the last coin, so. But XRP is hard. I mean, I can't pump it. Why would I do it? Okay, let's go. I did it before. No, I don't work at Ethereum. Guys, XRP is the last one. Okay. Okay, fart also. But fart broke out already. XRP. Tun. Wait, I think we did do it before. But we already did XRP like a month ago. XRP. Yeah, we did. If you look in my channel, you will see. I mean, those are the only levels you need. Look, it's still the same. It looks the same exactly. It did retest now, then back up. Nothing new. Maybe I can show you. There. It's still exactly the same chart we did before. You see? We still haven't broken the key level. I can't do more than this. There's nothing to do. We're still below resistance. We're in this range. When you break out, then expect $3.6. Like I said before, here. Nothing to do, boss. Nothing to do, boss. What time frame? 1H. Yeah, I'm on daily. You can see as long we don't break above here, there's no long for me. That's the key level. You see, we always go back up, retest it, but never break it. You see here, always no break. So when we break out, close above on daily, then no long, all the way up here. And that's trading all about, actually. You just have to wait, wait, then later we'll get to make money. And wait more. Why would set a limit? Okay, I won't even bother. Let go away from me, bro. Like, why would I set a limit here? Just, just get, just get as far away from me as possible. I don't even want to be near you, bro. Like I been saying, it rejects every time it reaches that level, and you tell me you're gonna set limit at that level. What kind of question? Okay. Okay, let's do last one. This chart is already on X, so you can go check it out. The levels you need are here. No change because the coin is very slow. It doesn't always move. So we're still stuck in the same range. This one looks good. That's what I've been saying before about these kind of coins. So uh, close above support, you see here, close above retest, bullish MACD. This one's the weekly chart also. So this would indicate to me that a big move is coming on Ponky. So MACD bullish on weekly, close above support. I think it will move either tomorrow or the weekend. But yeah, I don't even know why it's been slow. Like, it haven't even moved much today or yesterday. Maybe the team is selling or it's holding back for a bigger move, maybe. Who knows? But for me, it's bullish. Uh, like what I see here is this, this, because we reclaimed the weekly level. You can see we reclaimed the weekly level. Now we're ready to move to the next resistance over here at 0.28. There, you see? That would be only a spot play. No futures, no leverage, just spot. Yeah, but as you see, guys, I have just been looking on but the candle haven't closed. The candle have not closed yet. It's the weekly I'm talking about. You can see it's weekly chart, not daily, so it still have time. Then I would decide if I want to hold it on the next weekly close. But yeah, I gave you the Bitcoin chart, so you can do it later. You can enter it alone. I gave you the entry. So the only trade I'm in right now is this one. Okay? Yep. Now I have to go. I'll try to drop. Um, yeah, I'll give it my channel. Yeah, maybe new trade. I'll check. I'll try to drop some shorts in my channel. Okay, thank you. Thank you. You know, some of you I never say your names because it's so Indian, so Nigerian. That's why I never say it. Trump, 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 Trump. Trump is killing people over here while eating dinner. How many people asked me about Trump tonight? No, I'm not talking about you. You just joined. I'm talking about the others. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.